Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for January 27th, 2024. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I just want to share investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions here are my own, and I share them with you. They are just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts, not the one that I'm going to feature today, but I'm looking at this one. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Stock I'm going to feature today is Oneok company. They're a very, very large company. They're over $40 billion market cap. You don't hear much about. Their main objective, or at least their business, is natural gas, some crude oil refining, and that's gathering, processing, and sending off of pipelines pretty much throughout the Midwest, and they're headquartered in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This company has been around since 1906. Large company, very successful. Dividend is growing. Okay, here's some information from Yahoo Finance, some basic information on Oneok. OKE is the symbol again. Market cap, like I said, is large, $41 billion. PE ratio is in line with the industry, a little under 13. Earnings per share, $5.44 and still growing. A dividend, $3.96 and still growing, which is a little over 5.5%. And their target estimate for the analysts is about $76 per share. I think it could go higher, just based on, you'll see it in the charts later on. But this company, very profitable, very steady, and good dividend. Growing since dividend's been growing for 35 years, from 3 cents a share to now 95 and a half, I believe it is, per quarter. So it's a really nice money-making, churning company. Next slide I want to show you is a 3-month chart. Essentially saying that technically it looks like it's in a channel upward. Looks good. Looks like it's headed upward. You could have bought it a few dollars a share cheaper, but I still like the position. In the $70 range is a pretty good place to buy for a company that's generating $5.50 or 5.5% dividend and growing consistently. Next slide is a little bit for the alpha piece of the puzzle here. Looks like we're in kind of a triangle, technical triangle going in there, flag upward. It looks like we're almost at the top of that, and honestly, I think this company's probably headed towards that the all-time highs there at about $78 per share, which means you probably have 10% upside, plus or minus. Plus, you get 5.5% along the way. Not a bad deal. And again, do your diligence and take a look at if you're interested, take a look at this one. Again, just churns money. Tons of business, very large market cap, and we're talking energies, natural gas and oil, not going away anytime soon, contrary to popular belief. Anyway, with that, I'd like to say thank you for listening to this podcast, JC Stocks and Markets podcast. I do this just to provide information to people, give you food for thought. I'm not here to break down every stock and look at every piece of the puzzle financially or company-wide. That I'm going to leave it up to you. But I'm giving you ideas for good companies that generate good dividends and that are growing and consistent. With that, again, thank you for listening. The intro and outro song is by a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. I wrote the song. It has a lot of meaning to me. I hope you get something out of the podcast. And with that, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam.
she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. There were a few before you, but I really didn't care. I thought I had that feeling, now I know it wasn't there. It really is a crime, I've wasted all this